Hey everyone, welcome back to Greg's Natural Health. Imagine this. It's 3000 BC. You're in a stone chamber in Malta. A deep 110 hertz hum shakes your bones. Your headache fades. Your heart slows. You feel healed. Is this ancient magic? Alien tech? Or actual science? Today, we're diving into frequency healing. Does it really work? I'm keeping it real with studies, a touch of wonder, and ways you can try it at home. Hit like if you're curious, and let's vibe into this. So what is frequency healing? It's the idea that specific sound or vibration frequencies can nudge your body toward better health, less stress, better focus, even tissue repair. Sounds woo-woo, right? But hold up. Science backs some of this. NASA uses low-frequency vibrations to grow bone in astronauts. Zero-gravity weakens skeletons. 30 hertz vibes help rebuild them. Studies in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience show binaural beats, two slightly different frequencies in each ear, can shift brain waves, dropping stress hormones like cortisol by up to 15%. Even hospitals use ultrasound, high-frequency sound, to heal soft tissue injuries. So yeah, vibrations do things to your body. But what about those ancient frequencies? Were our ancestors onto something? Let's talk Solfeggio frequencies, 9 specific tones said to heal the body and mind. They're rooted in ancient chants like Gregorian hymns and got a modern revival in wellness circles. Here's the lineup and what they're claimed to do based on tradition and some early studies. 174 hertz. Relieves pain and tension. Think muscle aches or emotional stress. 285 hertz. Boosts tissue repair like cuts or bruises, healing faster. 396 hertz. Clears guilt and fear, calming the nervous system. 417 hertz. Eases trauma and negative energy. Mental reset button. 528 hertz. The miracle tone, linked to DNA repair and love. Studies in Biomed Research International suggest it may reduce cell damage in lab settings. 639 hertz. Improves relationships and emotional connection. Heart chakra vibes. 741 hertz. Detoxes body and mind. Boosts intuition. 852 hertz. Sharpens focus and spiritual awareness. 963 hertz. Connects to higher consciousness, your cosmic Wi-Fi. Are these claims bulletproof? Not quite. Most evidence is small-scale or anecdotal, but 528 hertz has lab data showing it reduces oxidative stress in cells. Plus, chanting or humming, like in yoga or in church, does lower heart rate and stress, per the Journal of Music Therapy. So maybe those church hymns weren't just for Sunday after all. Okay, let's be real. Frequency healing isn't a cure-all. No peer-reviewed study says 528 hertz will fix your broken leg or a broken heart. But here's the flip side. Sound therapy, like binaural beats, is used in clinics to manage anxiety and insomnia. Vibration therapy, like NASA's, is legit for bone and muscle recovery. Even my skeptical self can't deny I feel calmer after a 10-minute binaural beat session. The catch? It's not magic. It works best alongside healthy habits like good sleep, diet, and exercise. And no, it's not ancient aliens, just humans noticing vibrations feel good. Want to test it yourself? Here's how to start. Cheap or fancy? Free option, binaural beats. Grab headphones, search 528 Hz binaural beats on YouTube. Try 10 minutes before bed. Feel the calm? That's your brain waves syncing. Tuning forks, $20 to $50. Get a 528 Hz or 432 Hz fork online. Tap it, hold it near your body, let the hum sink in. Great for meditation or targeting sore spots. Check my favorite tuning forks in the links below. Frequency generators and Rife machines, anywhere from $50 to $2,000. These gadgets let you dial in exact frequencies like Solfeggio tones. Rife machines claim to zap pathogens. Jury's out on that, but they're popular for wellness. Pricey, but fun for biohackers. I have some top-rated generators in the description. So, does frequency healing work? It's not a miracle, but it's not a scam either. Science says vibrations can calm your brain, ease stress, maybe even help cells heal. My challenge to you, try a 528 Hz binaural beat tonight. Comment below. Did your headache vanish? Did you sleep like a baby? Links in the description for free Solfeggio playlists, tuning forks, and frequency generators. If you love this, check this video here for more health tips. And subscribe, tap the bell, and let's keep exploring what makes us feel alive. See you in the next one.